guys, it's Jessica from Alicante Real Estate. I'm today in an amazing apartment in La Mata. As you see behind me, near the beach, it's only 100 meters to one of the most lovely sand beaches in La Mata area. We are talking about an apartment with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an individual kitchen, a washing room, and a living and dining area. I'm standing right here now on the big terrace. I think I already told you the view is amazing. You have a lovely park underneath. You can play football, you can play petanca, you have a park for the children and a lovely walking area. All the facilities are very near to this apartment as well. You have the supermarket, you have pharmacy, everything you need, just walking distance. And if you follow me on the terrace, we have one view to one side, as I said, to the beach. And look the amazing view to the right-hand side, where you look straight over the Salinas, which is our lovely Salt Lake, the natural park of La Mata, and look today, you see the beautiful mountains on the back. So it's a quite big terrace, quite huge, where you can enjoy your evenings with every single view you prefer in every moment. If you follow me, we come inside the apartment. We are talking about 90 square meters, like I said before, and it is the 3 bedrooms. Now we are straight in the living room, living and dining area. So, and if you follow me a little bit longer, we will go. Two bathrooms, which coming on the right-hand side, sorry. And on the left, you have a big kitchen and washing room on the back. So, like I said, right-hand side, 2 bathrooms with shower plate, complete, one here, and the next one just near to it. And then you also have the 3 bedrooms, okay? One starts here with the amazing view to the natural park and the Salt Lake. Then we have bedroom number 2, just next to it. And number 3, if you follow me, is the main bedroom with a wardrobe with it and also with the amazing view as you see. Now I have one more point of this apartment. What is really good, it have a garage included. So no worries about parking your car in summer, winter, whenever. If you follow me a little bit outside again, I'm gonna talk to you about the price. We talk about 90 square meter, like I said, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, individual kitchen, garage, with this amazing view as you saw on the terrace. And now I get the price for you. It's 260,000 euros. In the heart of La Mata. So if I wake up your interest, just contact me on the number down here, and it'd be a pleasure to show you the apartment and find your dream home with us in Alicante Real Estate. See you soon, guys. Bye.